Hey guys, welcome back to Radical Wilderness. Mike here, I got Kenzo Doggo with me, and we're back at it again, guys. So this time we're gonna do a solo overnight camping trip right here on the beach. I got this nature hike, Opolis 3. I got a couple beers. I got a few beers, some craft IPAs I'm looking forward to trying, and I also have a couple steaks. So this time I got a couple small steaks and potatoes to go with it. So it's a beautiful day out right now, guys. It's about 2 o'clock. And we got a few hours until the sun goes down, so we got a couple chores we got to do. So first, obviously I got to pitch the tent, I got to build a fire pit, and I got to process some firewood. So let's get to it, guys. Hey guys, just wanted to check in with you. So I got the tent all set up. It's coming along. Took a little bit, and then I just threw my bedding in there. Just kind of tidied up a little bit. Kind of also looked around. Was looking for rocks so I can build a fire pit. So I'm gonna throw some rocks right over here. Just gotta bring them up from down the way over there, and I'm gonna put the fire pit over here because the wind is actually blowing off of the ocean. So I don't want to have my fire pit over there on the actual beach. Because I obviously don't want any kind of embers or anything landing on the tent. So that being said, I'm gonna put it right over here. I got a good wind stoppage with this big rock and all these trees right here. So it's a perfect little spot, nice little cove, kind of tree covered, nice little canopy, and should be a nice little cozy spot for tonight. So I think it's time for a beer, guys. So I got the Orion IPAs, so we'll crack one open, give you guys a cheers, and I'll get started on that grabbing those rocks and creating that fire ring. So there you go. Boom. Orion IPA. So let's crack that open. Cheers, guys. Oh, well deserved. It's nice and cold. Hey, buddy. I'm pretty sure Kenzo wants me to play with him, obviously. Come here, buddy. You want to play? It's good. Good thing about this spot too. It's got quite a bit of space to play fetch, so that should be good. But all in all, it's going well, guys. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit after after I get the rock situated. I'll see you then. We're good, buddy.
Get your ball. Hey, buddy.
Ready? No, this way. Hey, 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 come here. All right, hey guys, just checking in with you. So camp is pretty much established at this point. It is now, it's 4:30. So definitely took my time today. Just obviously enjoyed the afternoon, taking my time, getting the chores done, and now we're fully established. So there is one more chore I gotta do actually, which is basically, I just gotta do some food prep. I got a couple potatoes I'm gonna dice up and season, but I think I'll wait on that for a little bit. But here soon we should be lighting the fire. Until then, I'm gonna chill, relax, enjoy a beer, and play some fetch with Kenzo. And I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Spin, good boy. All right guys, it is now about 10 minutes to 6 and the sun is already set. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this fire started and do that before it gets too dark to see it. So we should be good where we're at now. All right, so as always, I'm gonna use the cotton ball and Vaseline method, my favorite personally. So we'll do that. Let's see. Do a nice little base there. Break up the fibers. Place it right there. Spread it out a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to move this out of the way. So I got my tinder bundle here, and I get some kindling and then fuel right there. So let's get this fire started. I was definitely right about the direction of the wind on this one. It wasn't hard to tell, but right away you can see that the flame's going that way. So that's why I didn't want it out over there on the beach, so it didn't send the embers right into the tent. So, all right, let's get some kindling on there. Alright guys, so the fire is lit. As always, I am going to let this fire get nice and hot. We'll get some good coals going and then we'll start cooking. And I will check in with you guys when it is time to get the potatoes on. All right, hey guys, so just checking in with you. So the fire is dying down a little bit to where we got some nice hot coals. I threw the grill on there. I'm about to throw these potatoes in this pan here. Gotta give it a good wipe out real quick. Make sure we ain't got no sand in there. All right, so potatoes. So now throw some oil and some seasoning on there, and then I'm just gonna throw it right on top of the grill, and we should be in business. Let's see, some oil. Nice generous amount of oil. I want to get them nice and crispy, so I cut them up pretty small for the most part, and that should help cook them a lot easier and quicker. And let's see, I'm gonna put some Montreal steak spice on there. I really dig that stuff, so here we go. Just douse it, give it some flavor. Alright, stir it up. Probably add a little bit more seasoning now that I've stirred it up. Let's see. Oh yeah, now we're good. All right. Probably just add a little bit more oil too. Let's see. Yeah. Where'd that go? There we go. All right. Let's get it on there. All right. All right, hey guys, so I got these steaks here. These are some New Zealand beef. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, they look really good. I'm gonna try them out, and I'm pretty sure they'll be pretty good. So anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and oil these up, season them, and I'll throw them on the grill here. So let's get to it. So a little bit of oil. Set that out. Get them all nice and covered. Alright, so I got some Montreal steak spice here. Boom. And let's do this. There we go. Cover the whole steak. Completely covered. There we go. Alright, let's throw those right on the grill here. I was hoping for a nice sizzle, but apparently there was no sizzle. All right, let me oil these up. Oh no, that's gross. We're good. All right, oil up the backside here. Add some seasoning. Nice generous amount here. All right, guys, boom. Let's let those cook up, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, it is time. All right, guys, it is time to get these steaks off. They're looking so delicious. All right, 2 nice juicy steaks. Put that one right there. So I already munched on the potatoes, and they are amazing. So this is gonna be an epic meal right here. All right, so one thing I want to do, I want to get this grill off real quick and get some a fire going. All right, now we got the fire going, I can sit down and eat the steak, but right before that, I got this special beer here, this special IPA that I picked up from a place called Beer Rise, over by where I live here in Okinawa, and it's looking pretty good, guys. So this is a hazy IPA, and it's called Western Glow. It's from Casa Agria. Casa Agria, I'm sorry. And it is a, let's see, Western Glow is a hazy IPA brewed with oats, wheat, then dry hopped with copious amounts of Citra and Mosaic hops. So, kind of hard to read, I'm getting smoked out. Alright, so it is a 7.5 and it's looking pretty tasty, so I think it'll go perfect with this steak, so, or these steaks. I'm obviously going to have some help with eating these steaks with Kenzo, so let's get to it, guys. So let's crack this open. Cheers. Wow, that's really, really good. This Casa Agria is it's pretty good. Casa Agria. Agria. Anyways, alright, so yeah, let's try this steak out. So again, I've already had some of the potatoes, and they're pretty tasty, so I'm ready to try this steak out though. Nice. Yeah. This is New Zealand beef. Oh wow. That is really juicy. That's amazing, guys. That's super tasty. I have to say, it's super juicy. It's full of flavor right now. Well, yeah. That's really, really good, guys. Good thing I got 2. Alright. Pretty sure Kenzo wants a piece. Kenzo has been a really good boy all day. And, you know what? Here, let me cut him a nice slice here. I gotta get all that seasoning off of it, though. It's a nice little fatty piece right there on the edge. Get all that. There you go, buddy. Yeah, that's amazing, guys. Couldn't ask for a better meal. All right. As always, I'm gonna finish this up and I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Cheers. All right, hey guys, just checking in with you. So finished up dinner, and I gotta say it was pretty tasty. Those 2 steaks, perfect portions, and 2 of them was just right. So, and I gotta say those potatoes, they were very, very tasty, nice and flavorful, and really enjoyed the meal. So, and I gotta say Kenzo got his fair share as well. So, all in all, it's turned into a really beautiful night. The moon is out, the stars are out, and there's a little bit of a breeze. Seems like the wind has shifted a little bit. That's why I'm sitting over here versus over there. But anyways, it is now, it's like 8:30, so we're gonna do what we always do. We're gonna hang by the fire, enjoy the night, and maybe listen to some music and enjoy each other's company. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Cheers. Hey guys, just checking in with you. So I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. It's about 10:30 now, and getting pretty tired. So I gotta say, tonight has been a very, very nice night. It's absolutely gorgeous out. The weather's so nice right now. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, and it's just right. So should be a really good, comfortable sleep tonight in a sleeping bag, and I think it'll be really nice. So anyways, so that being said, we're gonna say good night, and we will catch up with you guys in the morning. Good night. Hey, good morning, guys. Cheers. It's a beautiful morning, I gotta say. We got up probably around 6:30. Was able to see the sunrise. It was absolutely gorgeous. And after that, just kind of moseyed around, cleaned up the, tidied up a little bit, got the fire going. Now we got breakfast going. Kenzo's been fed already, and I'm waiting on mine. So I got some bacon right behind me. It's already cooked. I got some potatoes on right now, and then I'm gonna throw a couple eggs on after that. So looking forward to breakfast, guys. Pretty hungry. So, but I got my coffee, which is all good. Very happy about that. And so once breakfast is all done and ready to eat, I'll check in with you guys. I'll see you then. Alright, hey guys, just checking in with you. Breakfast is served. So I got some bacon right here, I got some potatoes underneath, and I got a couple eggs right on top. So let's go ahead and eat this up. I'm starving. Those potatoes came out really nice and crispy. Same with the bacon. Yeah, this is mine, buddy. Yours is over there. It's really good, guys. Yeah. It's like 9 o'clock exactly now. So. This is a really good breakfast, guys. Alright, so I'm going to do what I always do. I'm going to finish up my breakfast, and I'll check in with you guys afterwards. I'll see you then. Hey guys, just checking in with you. So we finished up breakfast, cleaned up all the dishes, and I kind of just moseyed on down the beach. Took a little walk with Kenzo, just doing a little exploring, checking out the area and stuff. It's a pretty cool spot, pretty happy with it. So I might be camping here again sometime in the near future. Maybe a different setup here. I don't know, we'll see. But overall, I really like this spot. So, but as of now, it's 10 o'clock, and I think it's time for a beer. So I got this special IPA that I brought with me. I was gonna drink it last night, but last night was good enough for the night. So this one right here, this is pretty interesting looking. So if you've watched my video right before this one, I had a beer from the same company, and they do a lot of collaborations apparently. So this is actually brewed and canned by Tripping Animals Brewing Company, and it's a collaboration with our friends at Mumford Brewing Company. So this one's called Hedging Bets. It's a double IPA with Citra, Cryocitra, Simcoe, and Cashmere. So it's again 8%. So it's got this psychedelic look to it with this hedgehog on the front. See that, guys? It's pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and crack that open and see how it is. Cheers. It's nice. You can tell that it's got some good citrus flavor to it. Very hoppy. It's a double IPA, so. But yeah, I like it. I'm a big fan of IPAs, so. Not very many IPAs I don't like. So, anyways, so for now, I think we're just gonna enjoy the morning, continue on, just kind of hanging out, just relaxing, and maybe take a walk up the beach the other direction and do a little exploring. But yeah, if anything significant happens, I'll check in with you. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Cheers. Give me your ball, Kenzo. Come here. Ready? Hey, hey. Good boy, buddy. Where'd it go? Get it! Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Hey guys, just checking in with you. So it is now almost noon, and I think it's about time we start packing up. I gotta say, this has been an awesome trip. Just coming out here to the beach, a new location, kind of just doing a little bit of exploring and having a good time. It was great, guys. I gotta say, this is a pretty cool spot. Just because it is on a point, so I got a nice little river, like a delta that goes out into the ocean, and then I got the bay right over here, and it's just, all in all, this has been a great experience coming out here for this this camping trip, and we just had a really great time. So spent a lot of time together, played a lot of fetch. Probably didn't get so much of it on film as much as we actually did, but I gotta say, it's been an awesome trip, and definitely looking forward to camping here again. So for now, I'm gonna start packing up, guys, and we're gonna get on out of here, and I'll check in with you guys when we're all packed up. We'll see you then. I want to say thank you for watching Radical Wilderness. We'll be back again, guys. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you again, guys. We're out of here. Later. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Ugh.